kiddos.
Hi.
Where are we going? To a farm. So Kyle, where are we going?
Provision Family Farms, where we got our old piggies at.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, should be a good time. What do they got going on there?
Hayride, cider. We're gonna harvest some honey, and that's, I don't know, probably some other things, but that's about the extent of what I know.
Here. Yeah.
Yeah, you can put the dog. Go this way.
Go.
See the honey?
Pretty good. How about yourself?
Check out the honey extract.
Honey extract, yes.
Don't touch anything.
He'll explain it to you, Kate.
Okay. The bee hive is actually over there by the barn. You won't see it. Not
No, we're staying in here, kids.
The bottom two boxes are their hives. These were boxes that we put on top. So they were part of the hive before, but we took them away from the bees. We blew the bees out, and we brought them here.
That's hoarding the bees.
Well, it would be hurting the bees, only we make sure we leave them enough so that they have enough to get through the winter. They make a lot more honey than they need to make.
I mean hoarding the bees as if you like blow that thing.
Oh, when we blow them out. Well, actually it doesn't too bad. You know, if you got blown and you landed in the grass, and you get up and you crawl back in your house, you're okay.
What if you land on a piece of cement?
Well, they didn't land on cement, they landed in the grass, so they're okay.
Helena, watch out.
So, the bees, they make honey. They tell me that it takes 120,000 bee hours to make a pound of honey.
How long is that?
120,000 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the bees work 120,000 hours to make a pound of honey. So they make the honey, they put it in here, and when it's ready, it's the right moisture, then they put a cap on top of it. And so I have to take the cap off.
I'm gonna make a farm too.
Done video.
Yeah, you got a farm too, yeah.
Yeah.
You got pigs and chickens. You don't have any bees though, do you?
No.
Not yet.
I wanna get bees.
We
You
were
wanna get
planning
bees?
on bees.
Oh,
That's
so
why we're here. One of the reasons.
you don't like honey?
I love honey.
Do you mind being stung?
No.
Oh,
I got some
okay.
in my mouth and it didn't work.
If you want to see a stinger, there is a stinger over there, sitting on that one golden lid there. You see that golden lid? There's a stinger right in the middle of it.
Yes?
No, right there.
Oh.
There's a little stinger right in the middle
I'll
of
not
it.
get out of your
Here,
way.
kiddos,
I
come
took
here.
it off of, you can pick up the lid and look at it.
Look at.
I took it off of my arm because I got stung
Here,
today.
Helena.
I wanna touch the Kaylee one, but Kaylee. How do you know? Sometimes if you stay still,
Yeah,
they
I
don't
am scraping right now.
I know.
The bees,
things-
they
they
put
got
a
bees.
seal on it when it's
Put
ready.
these out.
Don't watch out.
Oh, see,
You want to
we
see the
have.
bees?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's good
Kaden,
stuff,
stay in
isn't
here,
it?
honey.
Yeah, I love
If you want some honeycomb, there is some honeycomb over there. You can get a piece.
honey. I love honeycomb.
Okay, well,
Right here.
sounds good.
Honeycomb, can I buy queen bee?
One of those
A
pieces.
queen bee? No, you can't buy a queen bee. Well, I mean,
If
you
you're
can
gonna
buy
eat
a
it.
queen bee from a bee supply company.
Do they have bees in them?
No.
Okay.
Another one. Take a bite.
And then I put the frame in
Again?
here. This is a centrifuge.
Too much honey.
So you guys can guess how many bees there are in that container.
Want this?
So if you get it wet,
Look, you want this?
You
what
get,
happens if it's
Honey.
not wet?
you get a jar of honey.
Come here.
Yeah, so we'll fit.
Eat it.
Yep.
Hey, you want this?
Mm.
Try it. It's good. Yeah.
Need you to learn.
I'm probably gonna get like 2 million. Hey, get chickens!
Yeah, we have chickens, we have pigs, we
Are
have
they used
sheep,
to them? Are they used
we have turkeys.
Are they
Yep.
used to you?
Well, I guess that was that, huh?
Because they're done, huh?
Oh, they're done with the honey. Well, there are chickens out there as if they have chickens at home, right?
Yeah, we have chickens and ducks and.
There's more chickens.
Oh, yeah.
More chickens.
not ours.
Just like people who have cats, and it's sort of like, oh, a cat. And it's sort of like, you have a cat at home. I know.
So this basically you put it all in there and it just kind of presses it down.
It spins it out. It's a centrifuge.
Oh, it spins it.
So it spins around, and the honey just goes against the wall and drips down.
Gotcha.
So, and then I stop it after a bit and turn it around so that the honey that's on the inside also gets spun out.
Gotcha.
What do you do with all the honey that you put in the bucket there? Same thing, you just throw it in there. Like you put it all in here.
What's going in here? Yeah, we'll put it in a bucket, and it will. The wax will float to the top, and the honey, whatever honey is there, will float to the bottom,
Oh, gotcha.
or go to the bottom, not float to the bottom. But
Sink, yeah.
sink,
Yeah.
and then we'll take the wax and the honey, the top part off, and bring that to the bees.
Oh. and
Just
that's
spread
what
it out by them, and they'll lick all the honey clean, and then we have the wax, and we can sell that to a bee supply company or something like that.
Say hello.
Hey!
Say hi, neighbors.
That's a good idea. See, you just bury the tree now.
Yeah, I know. That's why I saw it in the whole ropes and everything.
Plenty of love.
Come on down.
I know.
You're good. You're good. Go.
Come on.
Go, go, go.
Oh, definitely down. Come on.
You're good.
That's a cookie.
No, it's not gonna poke you. It won't poke you. You're good to go.
No. No, it's weird.
All right, I'll hold it for you. There you go.
That was super weird. Fun.
Trini.
Okay. All aboard. Oh, hey, what's up?
That's why I want a cow. It's so fluffy.
It's so fluffy.
Yeah, me too. I like it.
Boy, that poor cow needs milking.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Poor cow can't even move.
Poor baby. Oh, Betsy. Betsy the cow.
The cow can't even move because of that big thing.
I know. That's where all the milk is, honey.
Get around back to back.
Mom, the cow said move.
Say it again.
So this is how you used to get back around back in the day.
The chicken says, Bob. No, the chicken has to say, the chicken says quack. The chicken says
Oh, look at all the.
Look at all the sheep up there.
No, sheep, I forgot about
Yeah.
sheep goes on. The sheep goes on.
And those are the pigs too.
The pigs go by. The pigs go by.
Oh yeah, you're so funny, kiddo.
Gobble, gobble.
Hey, just think, Helena. Our piggies are gonna be that size.
What?
Our piggies are gonna get that size.
Yeah.
All right, hold on. It's gonna be a roller
This is
coaster.
a real roller coaster back in the day.
Hang on. Can we train them to be able to like ride them? Are you okay?
What are you riding, Kaden?
Mommy, I want the tree.
Best suspension he's ever had.
Mom, I want the tree.
When we get back, I'll get you a drink, okay?
Hamster wheel. I don't like my. What is that, Mom? Mom, what is that?
For hay.
That's for your hay.
Extra breath after coming up that big hill.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, catch ours too.
Yeah.
This mare here, she has little allergies with hay. So now we just took them off pasture and we're feeding a little hay, and it bothers her a little bit more when you work them. So.
Oh, gotcha.
Why don't you give her grass?
It's dying.
Why don't you just grow some and make them live, grow some else?
I wish I could grow it all year round.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or just let us buy them.
Let us buy them. No, we don't. We do not need horses.
I wasn't gonna fall.
Okay. So we have a dog.
We're gonna go up back to the
Yeah, be patient, Kaden. Enjoy the ride.
out here.
Yeah. You might hear some bullfrogs out there, you know. Swamp.
Say hi, neighbors.
No.
No.
You like the...
Look, guys, it's that tree's already starting to turn colors.
See that now?
Yeah, she
So
loves
sure tell it's fall.
Oh well, she'll come back.
Piggies! I want to pick up piggies!
Oh my gosh.
Hi guys.
Sit.
Oh, hold on. I am sitting.
No, you're not getting on.
that brown one we got, Kaden? That should get that big. Isn't that crazy?
This is where we got our piggies from.
You want me to throw him some feed, or?
Sure.
Can I try?
Here, go ahead, Kaden. Yeah, you throw some feed.
Get those little bitty ones on.
You gotta throw more than
Oh
that.
my god.
You wanna try one?
No, guys. Okay, Kaden. Okay.
Stay right there. Here.
Just a little ways away from the water.
She got the water. Yes, Sophie!
Emma, stay back here.
I'm gonna touch the ball.
Look at all the little mini ones.
You're good.
Helena,
You don't like the piggies?
I don't necessarily like the pig squeal.
Not mine. Is that your phone?
I don't play it.
Huh? Oh, thank you.
What are they doing?
Sorry. I didn't see it. It was crawling down in between here.
I want that big one. I want the baby big one.
Baby piggies look good. Baby piggies are great. He rooted up the baby pig and it was on top of all the other pigs.
Look at that big fat pig. That pig is fat.
that's a big piggy there.
We do have
Our pigs can get that big.
You know, but we will never be able to. That one's hot and soldier. It's chasing us. It just wants us. Oh, Move!
Move!
Come on! Move! Oink, oink! Move! There are pigs in the cow farm.
Maybe one day, buddy. Look at this one. Look at this one.
Look.
Oh!
It's got some curly hair on top.
I want to touch you.
Flies. Oh.
Piggy, piggy. Oink, oink, Piggy. Come on. Piggy. Come on. Must be some dry. Piggy.
Be careful, we're gonna go forward. I don't want to fall apart.
Hey. Sit down. I'm a piggy. Jackie wants to go.
Dump it in here and smash it, right?
Dump it in there and smash it. That's all what I know.
Alright. Dump it in here.
Can I do it? Can I do it?
Hold on.
Can I do it? Can you see my cake, please? I want to see cake. Apple cider is dripping.
And I should take more of this out.
I want to. Mom, can I do it?
Yep, there you go.
Here,
Kyler.
get it down to it, and then I'm gonna.
It's already dripping. This is going fun. It's green up. A lot's coming soon. But there's even more. A smoosh! Smoosh! Yep, there's an potato coming out of it. That's what we're drinking. Yeah, we're drinking that little stuff. And it's healthy, right?
Yeah.
Banana apples.
Banana apples. What are we doing now, kid?
I like it. And I might be able to do my muscles too, right?
Uh-huh.
Look, Trinity. No.
Back there. Let go or not?
Yeah.
Let go?
Yeah, you can go.
Let go.
Let go. Go.
Oh, can I go?
Whoa.
Again.
Walk around with the piggy. I wish you would have seen them. And they were like all in their rut, and then they just threw that little baby pig up on top.
That would have been funny.
It was like crowd surfing on the pig.
Trini. Hello. Say hello.
Oh, it was good log. All this is hold on. I think it went up. Green beans. Tomatoes.
You got a pup following us?
So yeah, those are just, I
Yeah,
could do
those
that
are
with logs.
really cool
Or you
raised
just
garden
stack them, and then
beds.
you just put the wood in the middle. Cut out notches to stack them. Yeah, I got plenty of logs, so.
It's definitely a good way to have a raised garden.
Yeah. I'm sure they put all their compost and stuff in there.
Yep, that's the natural cycle.
How many tomatoes and stuff like that?
I think these are only their tomatoes. All of those are tomatoes.
Girl, she needs a lot of meat.
Stir it up. What is that, Kyle? What's in there?
Everything that's good.
Well, today is starting to wind down, and so yeah, Jenny, we're getting her a little jacket on because it's starting to get a little chilly, and so it's just been a really awesome time to come and see this family farm that we have that's like right here in our backyard. If you're part of Newaygo County area, they're located right in White Cloud, between White Cloud and Big Rapids, and so they they do accept EBT. They have all their pasteurized meats. They sell them, and as you can tell, they're all well-raised animals. They're well taken care of. So yeah, I'll definitely put a link of their website below, and I'll put their contact information in here too as well, because if you want to purchase any meats, I think they sell their honey butter. I think they have all sorts of things that they sell as well. Well, thanks guys for watching and joining us on this little adventure that we had. We'll see you later, neighbors. Bye.